Good afternoon, this is Dennis Stroud with Guarantee RV here in Junction City, Oregon. We're going to take a look today at this 2018 Minnie Winnie, this 31-footer. You know, obviously we all know the name Winnebago, one of the oldest names in RVs, known for their operating excellence and their engineering. So let's take a look around here as we walk around the side. Double luggage doors. Well, first is going to be an LP door. Second, nice long luggage door. Little cheater's way of knowing what's behind this door. When there's no locks, it's going to be an LP. By RVIA code, you cannot put locks on an LP door. Come around the side, nice long storage here again. Storage across the back, double doors to get into it. So we had the side door there, or we have the rear long door across the rear here. So we come down this side. Our waste black and gray tank dumps there. We have two areas of storage here, three areas of storage here, along with our generator. So this unit is built on the Ford E450, the Ford E450. So that makes it a V10 with a 6-speed. As we go inside on this unit's going to have some flexibility. This unit is curly without a sofa. So if you decide to buy this coach, you can either add a sofa or add a couple recliners. One of the nice things opposite on the other wall is your TV. So if you added recliners, you'd be directly looking at the TV along with your DVD player down below here. As you look across, this is a nice long galley. Double doors, double drawers too. 3-burner cooktop with an oven, microwave. Our central control panel. Somebody's added a knife rack. One of the things Winnebago does on their very nice on their seats are these pull-outs. Double door refrigerator, RV style. Shower and bath here in the middle. This door opens and stays for privacy. And we get all the way to the back. Queen bed, walk around queen. Large wardrobe on the passenger side. Shirt ward on the driver's side. So you can see this is a nicely laid out unit, plenty of room for you and your family. And if we look back up front, all the way to the front, you can see we've also got the overhead bunk. Great place for storage or for sleeping, either one. And the driver and passenger, you know, and riding nice comfort here. This unit has a rear camera. So give us a call and let's talk about this unit and see what we can do to make sure this fits what you need. So thank you very much. Dennis Stroud with Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon.